I take credit for this. It's my first day back, and we're looking at multiple stock market records. 3 minutes to go. Stocks gaining steam in the final hour of trade. S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow Transports are poised to close at record highs on this first trading day of 2018. But as we look right now to the present, let's look back for a moment. The Dow surged 25% in 2017. That's the largest annual gain since 2013. But what if the reverse were to happen this year? What if it were to plunge 25%? The so-called godfather of technical analysis and a big bull for as long as I've known you, Ralph. Ralph Acampora joining us now. 25%. What are you predicting?
Happy New Year.
Thank you. You too.
Liz, if you're worried about the cold weather, just snuggle up to the stock market and that'll warm you up.
Okay, so you're still bullish.
Oh, absolutely. You know what really turned me on was the second half of last year when you had that sector rotation. Yeah, energy, for example, came out of nowhere. They were really underperforming the first half of last year. I think that's the leadership. And you have financial leadership. And you just mentioned it. Look at what's happening the first day of the new year. I have to go with momentum.
Is this worst-case scenario?
I'm a momentum guy.
But your what if is 25% to the downside. Are you saying that's at least a possibility?
Well, I'm glad you brought that up. I had four scenarios, as I mentioned in my Twitter and my comments before the show. But I call that study my what-if study. What if we had a real catastrophe? But I don't see any of the problems yet. You know, we technicians, and I'm going to have to play reactionary this year. I'm going to want to see some deterioration, Liz. Little things like moving averages, breaking down, and support levels. And us guys, we love to follow trends. If I don't see any of those violations, I'm not going to worry about the downside. And right now, I don't see that. So I'm looking for a very conservative near-term target of 25,900. That's about 5%.
Yeah,
I'll take that, and then I'll worry about it later.
We're less than 200 points away from Dow 25,000 right now, Ralph. There are people who have a little pile of cash. They missed 2 years ago. They missed 2009 because they were scared. Do you get in here when valuations are pretty fully stretched at this point? But you know, people who said, "Oh, I want to wait for a pullback," me among them. Yeah. You didn't get that yet.
Yes. Yeah. Well, I take partial positions. I would take some of those energy stocks that, honestly, you take a look at ExxonMobil, a big blue chip stock in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. That's about to move. It hasn't really performed yet. I think that's going to be one of the winners this year. A drilling company like Halliburton is another one that's just starting to pick its head up. So I don't think you're chasing those stocks. And a couple of bank stocks that I like that have moved up, but still have a lot more potential. Bank of America and Citigroup. Those are four names that I think you could at least take partial positions in.
How cold is it in Minneapolis?
The last I looked, it was a -3.
So don't look, Ralph. It's great to see you. Happy New Year to our good buddy Ralph Acampora. And Ralph gets to see a record close for the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the Dow Transports. The NASDAQ closing above 7,000 for the first time ever. And now it's time for After the Bell.